I didn't want to spend a ton on an outdoor storage box, so I ended up with this Keter brand 30-gallon. Now I'm going to be realistic as to what you can expect here, and the instructions said it was good for up to 220 pounds on top, and I can confirm that it's good for at least 170. All the seams are closed up, so you can expect this to be pretty weatherproof. This is made of a resin material. It weighs 9 pounds in total, so pretty lightweight when empty, and supposedly this material won't fade in color, and it's also got a pretty nice wooden texture finish to it. Let me show you how easy this was to assemble, because it's 100 degrees today here in March, and when I first opened this up I had my doubts because some of the panels are pretty flexible, but I will say they do seem pretty thick and some of the pieces were reinforced pretty well. Instruction manual is simple, just a quick couple of pages, and everything just snaps into place really easily. Didn't need any tools, no mallet, nothing like that, so that definitely helps the experience. The hinges on top just snap into place, so it is quick, but hopefully that means that this will hold up over time as well. The whole assembly took maybe 2 minutes. And when I looked back at the instructions, it said it could hold up to 220 pounds, and even though it says not to sit on it, I had to. And even with a flexible, lightweight material, yeah, I was pretty surprised that it held up as well as it did. Now, on the inside, it says it holds up to 40 pounds, and I assume that means if you're picking it up and moving it around, and I don't really intend to do that. All I really wanted was a completely sealed container so scorpions don't get in here, and the lid kind of snaps closed, so at least you'll know it's going to stay closed. And there's a small latch right in the front where you can actually add a lock to it. For being a really budget option, I'm happy with it. Quick assembly, looks great, and seems like it holds as much weight as it says it will.